Hi everyone, in this video we will be mastering SQL interview question. We will be building complex hierarchies using recursive common table expression with an example. Stay tuned. Let's learn how to map out an entire company's hierarchy using SQL. For example, who's the employee who reports to the manager, manager who reports to the director, director who reports to the VP, and VP who reports to CEO. I want to find out who is level 1, who's level 2, who's level 3, who's level 4, and who's level 5. This is not given in the table itself, but I want to find out. The reason is who is reporting who, and since CEO does not report to anyone, so he will always be level 1. Alright guys, before we start, I would like to mention that I have already provided insert table and record scripts in the description of this YouTube video, so you can practice along with me. Okay? I'm using SQL Server Management Studio just for your information. So let's get started. To map the company's hierarchy and assigning a level to each position in the company, I can use recursive common table expression. Let's first understand what is common table expression and then recursive common table expression. So a common table expression is nothing but a temporary result set that you can reference within a select statement, insert statement, update or delete statement. Okay? A recursive common table expression allows the result set to reference itself. You're basically gonna call the common table expression referencing itself, essentially creating a loop. So let's see how we can do it in this example. Okay, so I will start by writing the common table expression. We always start common table expression by writing with your name of the common table expression. I would like to give this reporting hierarchy as everything that I will create in the common table expression will be within these parentheses. So open parentheses, close parentheses. And I give common table expression name as reporting hierarchy. You can give whatever name you prefer in your practice, but this is what I'm choosing. So let's start with a select statement. Select, let me show you what we have in the table itself. So we have the table called employee underscore ABC. ABC is the company's name, let's assume. So let me run this, let me execute this and show you. We have 4 columns. One is employee ID, name, what are their positions, and who do they report to. So then I will do select. First I want, let's call E1 dot employee ID. E1 is the alias that I will be showing you. For example, if I'm using employee ABC table from here, right? Select all from here. This is the alias for it, E1. Okay, select employee ID. So I'm asking, give me employee ID, give me E1 dot name. From here, give me E1 dot position, give me E1 dot report, reports to, okay, comma 1 as level. I'm creating, so I'm getting all the columns from here, from down here, but I'm creating a 5th column that says 1 as level. My column name will be level as 1. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the position level 1. Okay, so let me show you what it will give me. If I run this, it is assigning level 1 to all. But what I want to do here is I only want CEO as level 1. So I will put a condition here. What I will do is I will put where E1 dot reports to is null. I only care about getting the CEO first because he reports to no one. Let's see what I have created. Highlight this from here to here, hit execute. Now you see it is only giving me employee 1 who's Alice. He's the CEO, reports to no one, null, and level 1. Okay. Now I want to get the rest of the employees, the rest of the managers, directors, but I want to join, I want to get along with this and give those rest of the folks level as well. Let's create a union all because I want everyone. Union all. Let me pull this down so you can see. I'm going to create another select statement. Okay. It will be select. I'm going to call it e2.employeeID. How did I get E2 employee ID? Because this time I'm going to do my from employee ABC as E2. Because I'm doing a union all and I still want to use this table, but for the rest, I only got from this SQL statement CEO, but now I want the rest. So I'm going to call it now E2. So I will get E2.employeeID, I will get E2.name, all the columns from 1 to 4. E2.name, E2.position, E2.reportsTo. Okay, so I wrote select employee ID, name, position, reports.to from employee underscore ABC alias E2. I will do inner join. I will join this to the recursive common table expression. Okay, I am taking reporting hierarchy, call it RH, alias as RH for reporting hierarchy, on E2.reports.to equal, so I'm taking reports.to from here, okay, equal RH.employeeID from here, okay. In the recursive step, I'm joining the employee table E2 with the current result set. So the current result set of reporting hierarchy. The join condition reports.to equal employee ID means I'm looking for employees here whose reports.to value matches the employee ID of someone who's already in reporting hierarchy. Okay. How do I get the levels based on the condition that I'm giving here, the joins that I'm giving here? So what I'll do is I'll put a comma here. If you remember, I give a new column named level and I give 1, which was for the CEO. But this time what I will do is I'm calling my reporting hierarchy RH alias, and what I will do is I'm calling level. I'm calling the level column, but what I will do is I will do +1. So +1 is the incremental number, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So levels for all the positions. Okay. So this is how I will create my recursive common table expression calling from inside. But now if I run this, this will give me error because I need a select all statement now to call reporting hierarchy. If I run this right now, it will give me an error. See that? Invalid object name. But I completed this. In order to call this and not give me an error, outside the common table recursive common table expression, I will create a select statement. Select all from this common table expression, which is reporting hierarchy. Okay, order by level, because I want to see the position levels, and reports to. Now if I highlight all of this, okay, let me pull this up so you can see a little bit down. And now if I hit execute, okay, what is it giving you? A new column, or actually the column that we created, but filled column. So basically it's telling you if Alice is the CEO, his level is 1. Bob is VP. He reports to 1, who's here, but his level is 2. Director reports to position number 2, which is the VP here, but director's level is 3. So 3, because Grace and Charlie both are directors. Then comes manager. So if level is 3, reports to 3, but his level is 4, and so on. Okay, this is how you will map the company's hierarchy. I hope this was easy. If you're still confused, feel free to send me comments. We will discuss, we will do discussion on it, and we'll try to understand in as easy manner as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will keep on creating such videos. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.